Well, today we're going to fix this Chevrolet tailgate band. If you have one of these pickups, you know what this is. It's the decorative trim that goes on the back of our tailgate, like so. So anyway, these tailgates have an anodized finish on them that is nearly impossible to remove. Well, I figured out a way to get this stuff off of here. You take a DA sander, 80 grit paper. I know it sounds harsh, but it's about the only thing that'll cut this stuff off of here. Sand this stuff off. Get all that mess off of there. And if you're really careful, you can kind of give it the engine turned look, you know, like the Trans Am dashboards have. But we'll try to see if I can get this situated here so we can show you what we're doing. You have to be careful not to hit the edges. It's a slow process, as you can see, but see down here where the Chevrolet letters were, you can see how faded it is. I mean, I've done everything to these things. I've painted them. I've put the color of the body on them and clear coated them, but I really like to have this one more, you know, original looking. So I may try to polish it. I haven't quite decided how I'm going to do this yet, but it's coming along. I'll go ahead and paint this area in here black again, I guess, like it was. But I got it disconnected from the little shell that it attaches to in the back. I can't find anybody that makes these things. LMC has, I think either LMC or Classic Industries has the panel for the Blazer, but it doesn't have the little hand cut out. So it's not going to do me much good unless I eliminate the tailgate. I thought about eliminating the tailgate handle, having an inside release. Yeah, I just realized I had that all over my face. But I just haven't quite decided what, you know, just nobody makes these things. There, sorry. It's not clean work. But anyway, that's what we are doing today. Trying to fix this thing. I'll let you know how it goes when I get done. Anyway, coming to you live from Jay's Garage. Over and out.